Welcome to PJ's 3D Design. I'm PJ Corona. We have a nice tropical backyard landscape for you today with a free-form pool. We got a raised upper deck area. Spa's raised an additional 6 inches. Fire pit that's over toward the house. Solid roof patio cover. It's on one of the sides looking toward the pool. And then a barbecue island that's butted up against the house. And that deck area behind it, or next to it, is raised also. As we go back to the pool and the night views, you can see the pool lights in the spa and the pool. And of course the low voltage lights all around the backyard. They really make a difference. The low voltage lights, they give the backyard just that pizzazz and that nice feeling. So I highly recommend you do put them in. And I do recommend you go with something that's high quality. And you're going to pay about $100 a light. And here's the fire pit, which you'll probably get more use out of than anything besides the spa. And then we'll go back over to the solid roof patio cover and have a look at that in the evening. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Take care.